All right, just got a special delivery today. I have a new build coming up. See if you can guess by this component what I'm going to be building. So I figured we could unbox this together, so let's check this out. All right, well, obviously it's very well packaged. A little piece of foam. Oh, now that is a thing of beauty. Let's see if I can get this out here. Oh. It's so heavy. Okay. Oh, look at that. Yep. If you're wondering what this is, it is a 10-inch subwoofer, which is going to be part of a subwoofer build that I will have coming out soon. Yep. Pretty sweet. This thing's gonna fuck. Oh.